The Food Service Exchange presents
Crown Verity presents this week's Recipe on the Grill.
Hi, I'm Steve Adams from Crown Verity Barbecues. Today we're making jerk, swordfish, and fire roasted potatoes. Let's get going. First of all, we've got a really nice piece of swordfish. You don't get any fresher than that. That's probably 1.25 inches thick. We're going to make a marinade. This is how we do it in the Caribbean. It's going to be Italian dressing, some jerk sauce or paste, the juice from half an orange. Just squeeze that right in there. I'm just going to move it around in the bag. That is the perfect marinade. I'm going to put this swordfish in, zip it up, move it around, go like this, tuck it under. We'll let that sit. See all that, the jerk pimento and the Scotch bonnet, that's going to work wonders in there. I'm going to set my barbecue. I'm going to preheat it right now for direct grilling on this part here. I'm going to put it on high because we want to have presentation marks. Okay, the fish is marinated. Oh, it looks really good. Grill's good and hot. Got these two burners on high. That's smoking hot. Let me throw this on. We'll see if we've got some. Perfect. We'll let that sit there for about 3 minutes or so. We're going to cross hatch it. We've got the presentation side down. We'll just flip it around a little bit. Let's let that go. I think we're ready to turn the fish a little bit for some cross hatching. I'm just going to turn it on an angle, slide it down on the grill a bit into a brand new hot spot. Let's see if we can get some nice cross hatch patterns. So we've got our, oh yes, this is ready for a flip. Let's see what we have here. Nice. I'm going to put the potatoes on. Press them down for grill marks. Pineapple slab. I'll tuck into the side right here. We'll just watch that swordfish. Got some nice grill marks. We're going to let that sit for a few minutes. This will take probably 3-4 minutes. It's already cooked. We can cross hatch that, or you know what? I think I'm just going to put the one set of grill marks on, flip it over. We've got the heat. I'm just going to turn this down like this now. That will caramelize. We'll let it go for a few more. Oh, the fire roasted potatoes look great, and the grilled pineapple. Swordfish, jerk swordfish is cooked to perfection. I'm going to plate this up now. Let's tuck this in here like this. Look at the grill marks on that. Just going to tuck this under. I've got some grilled potatoes. Doesn't that look good? This is grilled jerk swordfish, fire roasted potatoes, a pineapple plank with a yummy fish fry sauce for fishing the flats.